Wo ist der Bahnhof?
Where is the train station? Where is the train station?
Entschuldigen Sie bitte, ich suche den Fahrkartenschalter.
Excuse me, I am looking for the ticket office. Excuse me, I am looking for the ticket office.
Ich möchte eine einfache Fahrt nach.
I would like a one-way ticket to... I would like a one-way ticket to...
Ich möchte ein Rundfahrtticket nach.
I would like a round-trip ticket to... I would like a round-trip ticket to...
Ich möchte in einen rauchenden Abteil sitzen.
I would like to sit in the smoking car. I would like to sit in the smoking car.
Ich möchte in einen Nichtraucherabteil sitzen.
I would like to sit in the non-smoking car. I would like to sit in the non-smoking car.
Wie sind die Fahrzeiten?
What is the departure and arrival time? What is the departure and arrival time?
Was kostet ein Erster-Class-Ticket?
How much is a first-class ticket? How much is a first-class ticket?
Eingang,
Entrance. Entrance.
Ausgang.
Exit. Exit.
Wo ist die Bushaltestelle?
Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop?
Eine Hinfahrkarte.
One-way ticket. One-way ticket.
Ein Rundfahrkarte.
A round-trip ticket. A round-trip ticket.
Gehen Sie nach.
Do you go to... Do you go to...
Haben Sie einen Fahrplan?
Do you have a schedule? Do you have a schedule?
In welche Richtung muss ich gehen?
Which direction do I have to go? Which direction do I have to go?
Wie oft fahren die Züge?
How often do the trains run? How often do the trains run?
Wie viele Haltestellen gibt es?
How many stops are there? How many stops are there?
Bitte sagen Sie mir, wenn wir dort ankommen.
Please tell me when we get there. Please tell me when we get there.
Wie komme ich dorthin?
How do I get there? How do I get there?
Wo ist die nächste U-Bahn-Station?
Where is the closest metro station? Where is the closest metro station?
Wie viel kostet die Fahrt?
How much is the fare? How much is the fare?
Wie lange hält sie?
How long does it stop? How long does it stop?
Von welchem Bahnsteig fährt ab?
From what platform does it leave? From what platform does it leave?
Muss ich umsteigen?
Do I have to change trains? Do I have to change trains?
Ist dieser Platz besetzt?
Is this place taken? Is this place taken?
Wie viel kostet es?
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
Wo steige ich aus?
Where do I get off? Where do I get off?
Wann fährt der Zug ab?
What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave?
Geradeaus.
Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
Nach links.
To the left. To the left.
Nach rechts.
To the right. To the right.
Gibt es eine U-Bahn in dieser Stadt?
Is there a subway in this city? Is there a subway in this city?
Wo kann ich eine Fahrkarte kaufen?
Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket?
Haben Sie eine Karte mit den U-Bahn-Stationen?
Do you have a map showing the subway stops? Do you have a map showing the subway stops?
Bitte, nehmen Sie mich zu dieser Adresse.
Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address.
Ist es weit weg von hier?
Is it far from here? Is it far from here?
Ich habe mich verlaufen.
I am lost. I am lost.